All right, now we're going to look at compositioning the elements together. So if you are watching this video, you should have already a Google slide that is this one, already designed. You should have a vector logo ready to output as the highest pixels you can out of the program that you use. You should have this background completed, and all of it looks different than this one right here because it's a redesign of the label. Okay, this information never changed. The product was still the same. The contents were the same. This text could look a little different, but it has to probably match, right? The beans, you're going to have to find something else or a picture somewhere. But the whole thing should look different. And they should all be separate documents. And now we're looking at compositioning. Okay, bringing it all back together. Now, unfortunately, I would usually have students do this. I really hate measuring things in front of, because I want them to measure it. Want them to make the mistakes and everything else, but unfortunately I don't have a way for them to go out at home and print this stuff out and then measure it. So that's why we're doing the measuring, but I will not be doing the math for you this time. Okay, and we're still going to be using the 300. So in this case, you have to convert this over to pixels using the 300, just like I did in the last video. And it's 3 7/8 by 9 1/16 this time. Okay, then you're going to be producing or laying down the different elements on top of this. So I'm going to be kind of showing you how that works. It's very, very, very simple, and I'll use this as a demonstration. I have a document right here that is developed, and what I want to do is just go File, Download, PNG. Now, unfortunately, this one's at 72 dpi, so instead of the 300, it's 72. Then I have this document. Okay, let's pretend for a second that this is the document you need to make. And File, Insert, Image, Upload from computer. And I import my PNG. And there it is. And because this is 72 dpi, you can definitely see, if I zoom in, see how it's pixelated? Okay, that's because it's 72 dpi, not 300. So you'll know if you made a mistake, because if you zoom in, it shouldn't look like that. If it does, you have to go back in your workflow and correct it. All right, so that is how you composition things together. There is your task. Your task is this number. And put it all together into a final design. Enjoy.